one thing I know I want to take a oath here. Since it's a new year, I want to change my village as a Vedatriyam village. My wish, we'll see how it goes. I need your blessings and your support all. Thanks all the professors and teachers. Thank you so much sir. Thank you Meenama. Thank you sir. That's it. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you Mr. Suresh. You have already started teaching and you have come here only for the badge, I believe. Thank you very much. Let us bless Mr. Suresh now. Mr. Suresh,
அன்பர்களே வாரீர், அன்பர்களே வாரீர், அறிவின் இருப்பிடம் அறிந்து இன்பமூர அன்பர்களே வாரீர்.